In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change address on a Mint Intuit account. To get started, open the Intuit account sign-in page. Once you're there, sign in using your email address, phone number, or user ID along with your password. Make sure you're logging into the correct account, especially if you have more than one Intuit profile. If prompted, complete any verification steps so you can access your account securely. After you've signed in, go to your profile settings. Depending on the version of the page you see, this section may be labeled Personal Info or Profile. This is where Intuit stores the basic details connected to your account. Take a moment to look through the page until you find the address section. If the layout looks slightly different on your screen, don't worry. The wording can vary a little, but the goal is to find the area where your personal address information is listed. Next, click Edit next to your current address. This will open the fields you need to update. Enter your new street address first, then add your city, followed by your state or province. After that, type in your zip or postal code, and then confirm the correct country is selected. As you fill everything in, be careful with spelling, abbreviations, and number formatting. Even a small typo can cause issues later if the address is used for account verification, billing, or communication. Before moving on, review all of the information carefully. Double check that the street name is correct, the city matches the postal code, and the country and state or province are accurate. This is an important step because it helps make sure your account details stay up to date and consistent. Once everything looks correct, click Save or Update to apply the changes to your account. After saving, give the page a moment to refresh and confirm that the updated address is now showing in your profile. If you don't see the change right away, try refreshing the page or returning to the personal info section to verify that the update went through. And that's it. That's how to change the address on your Mint Intuit account.